Okay, now it's time to create your drawing pages, your fully dimensioned drawing pages for each of your parts. And when you do that, you're going to go to the plus button, click on plus, and then you're going to create drawing. The drawing that you're going to create is going to be on your custom drawing page. So you're going to click on your Onshape, and then you're going to click on whatever drawing page that you created. It will have your name, and then you click OK. So when this drawing page pops up, it's going to take a second to load, I guess, on this computer. This should be your custom drawing page with your logo in this corner. Notice it'll have all your information. The approved by will be for someone to check your parts, check your dimensioning. So the first part you're going to place is your blue part, or whatever part you want to place first, and you need the front view. And you'll notice that this front view is not quite oriented properly because it would be a bad front view for this particular part. But we're going to go ahead and do our projected views here. Go to here, and then we're going to go here. And then we're going to go here, and then your isometric. So this would not be the best front view for the particular part. It would work, but it wouldn't be the best front view. So what we need to do is we need to reorient our part. So we're going to go view orientation, and then you can go through each of the different orientations. So if I look at the back side, the back's going to be the same. Well, it's going to have to be that front view for now. All right. So the problem here is that it's not showing the hidden lines. Actually, let's change this and make this the bottom. So view orientation, put the bottom, and that'll turn all of our pieces the right way. So notice now there's no hidden lines here, but there is a hidden line in this view, which is okay. So we're going to need to go over here and show hide, and we want to show hidden lines. Now to dimension this part, you're going to go to the dimension tool, and you're going to dimension away. So we have a dimension here to here. And it's going to be 0.750 here to here. Try to line your dimensions up as much as possible, 0.750 from here to here. I can go ahead and go from here, because it's the only place where this shows, to here. 750. And as much as possible, we want to dimension on the front view. 1.50. And let's go ahead and add one here. Once you have your part fully dimensioned, you need to make sure that the isometric's in color. So we're going to right click, show hide, and we're going to show shaded view. Okay, now I have all these parts, this particular part dimensioned. You're going to create one of these for each of your puzzle cube parts. Then when it comes time to submit this, you need to submit it as a PDF. So there's a couple ways to do that. We can go ahead and right click on drawing one, or actually let's rename this blue parts. And we're going to rename this part, and then we're going to export, and we can export this as a, I'm going to export this as a PDF. So go over here to PDF, and blue part export as a PDF. And so it says options are to download. We're going to export this, and it says blue part is prepared to export, and then you'll see the blue part exported down here at the bottom where it says blue part. That's what you need to submit. So you'll have 5 of those that you will need to submit. You'll also need to submit your assemblies. So after you fully constrain all your parts, you're going to right click on your part, and you want to show all your mates. So you're going to show your mates so that you can see the mates clearly visible. So that will be an addition to what you need to submit. To submit this, you're going to print, resize it, make sure it's isometric, and then download image. So then we download the image, you'll have the assembly, and then you'll have your PDF of your drawing pages.